The Porsche move, the Porsche.
Yeah. The only reason why you can't say that is because this Tosfos.
No, that's what he said. You can say that. Because since it was, this Tosfos only saying, he's been limiting Tosfos is only saying where the robe is exactly how, only on a Meiser Tikashayla. On that there's a din.
I understand, but so it must be a raya that since this is passing up, Lagavi Achila, you can't say that.
Not Lagavi our case, that wouldn't help for our case.
But his whole entire hechuf to bring a raya, because our case, you have a problem with roiv.
And he said in our case it's not paskin though.
Right, but I'm saying, but our case the roiv is on the din of Meiser.
That's what he's saying. That's when you can't. That's when rove is a suffix. When it's on the din of Meiser directly.
I'm saying, forget about whether it's passing up and then now it's another suffix Lagavi. The roiv is not Lagavi Meiser Bechlal. It's Lagavi if it's a treifer or not. I don't know. Maybe I'm saying what he's saying, but I think the din over here, the whole entire roiv. And me, is it Chayv and Meiser, not Chayv and Meiser?
Well, that would also be there also, whether it's Chayv and
No,
Meiser.
Is it a treifer or not a treifer? Well, every single animal is a roiv or not. There's a roiv in this animal, or in this animal. There's a roiv in the whole entire pen.
Okay, so that's what he's saying. If it's Paskin up earlier, that's what he's saying. That's what he's saying. It's Paskin up earlier. Mashenkin here, it's only on Meiser. Let me tell you what I don't understand about his kasha. What does the Taisa mean? Rush mean, rove is a suffix. This is in the whole Kivet. You'll see the shel su rov bilas achar bao. He should say it goes. It will never be possible suffix mamzer. It will never be possible to yisur mamzer, because every person is a suffix mamzer. Ech shayach Yehudi yavor al yisur mamzeres. Afil yodim shi vaday mamzeres. Al ech atol lo yodei shato mamzer. Atol gam yachol liyot mamzer. Ki ulai elamah shato mamzer zarak rov bilas achar bao. Again, Kol Yehudis are Suffolk Mamzer. Suffolk Mamzer, Mutter Mamzeres. That's halacha. Suffolk Mamzer, Vada Rachman below Suffolk Mamzer. So yes, the kasha. You'll never have the Isser of Suffolk Mamzer. You'll never have the Isser of Mamzer. What?
Why should we say that? It's meichetes. It's not like we have.
The Gemara brings a raya from Rov Bil Sachar Ba Yigo Basa Rov. That the Gemara says is also dinner Rov.
Yeah, but it's a different dinner Rov. Like what? There's a Rov that we know there is a so now the question is different.
Yeah, okay, you don't know the right word for it. Yeah, I mean that's the same problem with treif. There's two kind of. What kind of Rov are we talking about here? We're talking about a Ruba de Isa come on here. Here we have a statistical probability. There's one animal that's monui. 999 are not monui. That's Ruba de Isa Kamon. There's a Vadai Meut here. There's a Vadai Meut. And there's 990. On that, the Tosar Rosh says, and you can hear the swore, it can't make it Vadai. How do you make it Vadai? How can you say a Vadai when you know for sure there's a Vadai monui here? But in the normal case, by Ruba the Lesser come on, that's a rove in nature, a rove in Teva, that rove is, there's no suffix on. I'm just saying, you didn't get the word. Ruba, but that's the same thing when he's asking from Treyford. I don't know what he wants. There's a chil between a Ruba, the Toysa Rosh is talking about a Ruba the Isa come on here. You have a statistical vadai, all you have here is the law of probability. The Rove doesn't tell you there's no suffix here. The Rove tells you this is not the one. So that's hard to say it's a vadai. I mean, it's hard. You have a suffix in front of you. So what he's saying is suffix. It's mavar is suffix, but it doesn't create a vadai. That's what the Toysa Rosh is saying. In the case of Rove animals being a treifa, you have 1,000 animals or 10 animals. This kash is it's meiser vadai below suffix isiri vadai. What's your suffix over here? Now it's true in the world, yesh there's treifas, but the whole word of Ruba the Lexicon is here. We don't have to think about that. Since the rope over here, I don't have a suffix. Not even the Tosa Rosh is going to be moded to din vadai. And Mamela robe bilas achar baal is the same thing. Why do you need the din a robe? But this is a robe that there's no suffix. That's what I thought Tuvia was saying before. I think you were saying more the sort like the Shmaitza that was Paskin before. The Chur is a chul between a Ruba the Isakam and a Ruba. I would have learned Pshat in the Tosa Rosh is saying his by a Ruba the Isakam one is a suffix. איפה שיש רוב ודאי ומיעוט ודאי, אז זה רק שאלה של אפשרות. אז הוא אומר, יש דין של סופק, זה לא נשאר דין ודאי, אבל איפה שהרוב אומר שאין לי מה לחשוש כאן, זה נחשב בהלכה דין של ודאי. Okay, anyway, take a look at the Kiveger. But this Kiveger says this here, not like we're saying. He says, the Kiveger says that the reason it works, now his kasha, see, his kasha, or whoever asked him the kasha over there from Teshrotzim, the Tzvardei Echad, that's a good dimyon. Teshrotzim, Tzvardei Echad, Zebediyu Kamo here. Zerubadisa Kamo. That's a good kasha. And his answer is paskin good. We're not being chaylik with his answer. But his raya to the answer is no raya. He can't bring a raya from a Ruba the lesser common to that. He's bringing rayas from Ruba the lesser common to Ruba the Isa common. Now that's from Kiv Eger. The kasha from Teshrotzim, that's exactly the case. Teshrotzim, Tzvardei Echad should be a din of suffix. But to say his teretz Ogin Paskin, good teretz. But you can't bring a raya from Treifa to that. And you can't bring a raya from Rov Bilas Acharbal to that. Over there, it's Taka Ogin Paskin, but over there the psak was there was no suffix. When there's a psak, there's no suffix. That could be the sheet. There's also moida that it's vad, that has a din of vada. He was only saying where you have a ruba de Easter come on, it remains a suffix. Okay, so the shaila is now, tomorrow I'll decide if I want to continue in this sugya, to see, to answer the Kiveger's kashas, say new mahalach, or maybe we'll talk to get one more shiur on the on tfisa.
No.